somewhere this sector benefited because of these two large developments, just as the entertainment sector benefited because of streaming. So the sector was already growing well in double digits before it hit COVID. And in COVID also, surely it would have taken a beating, but it remained among the more resilient sectors because
Yes.
unlike the previous pandemics, it had two supports. One was the refrigerator in 2008. In 1918, the refrigerator was not there. The technology had not stabilized. Refrigerators were exploding. They had not reached the homes. So it had the refrigerator and it had the internet. So purchases could happen and groceries could be stored. So somewhere this sector benefited because of these two large developments, just as the entertainment sector benefited because of streaming, which the earlier pandemics did not offer any kind of relief to consumption. This time, this relief was available.